It's done. I think that turned out pretty awesome. It was difficult getting the supports out because they were tucked in all those little areas there. It's done. There he is, Leafeon. Turned out awesome. So Leafeon and I forgot the name of that one already. I have one more to do for the evolutions of Eevee there. And he'll be on the printer later today. He turned out pretty awesome. I found the model over on thanks.com by Printed Obsession, Leafeon Pokemon fan art, and I put a version of it on Maker World that's painted, so you can download my profile and paint it. And I gave full credit to Printed Obsession here. Didn't change the model at all I did was paint it. So it's his model, but if you'd like to print the painted one, you can find it at makerworld.com.